Local news for Thursday the 15th of November. Improving water quality in the Romahanga has been recognised in this year's New Zealand River Awards. Monitoring at Gladstone Bridge midway down the river has shown a reduction in dissolved reactive phosphorus of 12.8% per annum over the past decade, making it the most improved river in the Greater Wellington Regional Council area and the third most improved nationally. Transit Group is a finalist in the NZI Sustainable Business Awards at a special networking event held for all Lower North Island finalists in Wellington on Tuesday night at the Zoo. Transit Group's project manager James Howard said the company had brought world-leading technology to New Zealand and will continue to push for the introduction of 100% electric buses with customers. The winners will be announced at a black tie dinner in Auckland next Thursday night. And in sport this weekend, 2 games of softball at South Park with the men at home to Hunt Valley Dodgers and the women also at home taking on Stokes Valley.